Hi guys, I'm so sad because today we are going to be packing. I found this backpack that I thought it would be perfect for my old spy bag, but this is my new spy bag. It's right here. Super cute. If you haven't seen the packing this video, packing whatever's in this bag, you can go, if you want to see what's in this bag, you can check out the video that where we packing for spy school. And I have a spy school kit, so make sure I'll link in section down below and click on that button and you will see the video. So I got some stuff. So the first thing is I'm going to use this as a disguise so people don't know. So yeah, I'm just going to put that in. And this can use disguise too, huh? So you can put a bow here, and then we have the small bow we can do. And these distract them. We can just throw them, and then we'll distract them. So yeah. And then we can also throw this. And then this is this to see how time it is because we flip. And then, so yeah. So we have, let me see what time it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to use this for 9 seconds. And then we have nice seconds. Yeah. And then we also have this distract people. We don't throw it, we just, it's supposed to repeat what you say. So yeah. So yeah. So, and then now I'm going to show you how, and now if you want to see the round 2 of the practice video, link right there, and you will see it when it's out. You can link right there. But it's not out right now. So right now, make sure to subscribe, comment, share. And don't forget to ring the bell and follow me on Instagram. And please click on one of these videos for Princess Kids TV. Bye for now. Bye. Don't forget to ring the bell and give me some stars. How many stars you want? I don't care how many stars you want, but you can. Bye-bye.